Hey guys, there's a drift event this weekend and we're trying to make it. We gotta take this suspension stuff off because we don't want it. And Mr. Fabtown over there, he cut and welded us some knuckle things and we're gonna put them on.
Yeah, so Charles from Fabtown, this morning he overnighted me a set of knuckles, so they're gonna be here tomorrow morning.
That's super sick.
Thank you so much, Charles. You guys, his channel is gonna be down in the description. If you don't already watch it, go check it out. He makes all sorts of manifolds and crazy shit. Big frickin' shout out to Charles.
Hell yeah, thanks Charles.
Yeah, so I also got these guys. Now, these are some 16K springs. Since this car has a JZ in it now, there's a lot more weight in the front of the car. So to make up for that, I'm putting a stiffer spring in the front. So hopefully the car doesn't feel as sloppy and heavy, you know.
What are you doing down there, man?
Jack stands. Safety is good.
Man, shit. They're wearing cool crazy. Three guys. So I'll see you at one of those.
Schwab got too much dog.
I'm following a dog.
So, one reason I'm really excited to get rid of this knuckle setup is, well, it's way beyond me. First off, it's super adjustable. It's as Charles says, it is basically Wise Fab on crack. It's ridiculous. It's got so many adjustments in it, and all these crazy Heim joints, and about 3 million washers. It's ridiculous. Like, when I take out these bolts for the brakes, you guys will see there's like 15 washers. Asbestos is the bestest.
Yes, my favorite thing to get in the mail.
There's no chemical better than asbestos, dude.
That's where it should work.
I don't know, dude. Have you ever tried chlorine? It could be done.
There we go, everybody!
Whoa.
Surprise!
You won. What are you crunching on that you're not supposed to?
So we've hit another roadblock. This hub right here seems to be a rear hub off of something. I'm guessing off of a 240. Yeah, it uses 4 bolts to adapt to the kit, which is a smart idea on a race car, but that's an issue for us since we're going to a stock style knuckle because we don't have front hubs. Yeah, you kind of missed out, man. This is a rear hub.
Oh.
So we can't use that on the knuckles.
So we gotta get a new hub?
Yeah, we gotta find hubs.
Don't we have some right there?
Yeah, we got 4 lug.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, so we're getting pretty close to pulling out the angle kit. We've got just a couple more bolts and a couple more screws to like pop out of place, and then this whole hunk is just gonna fall out of the car. Angle kit.
See ya. I wanna be ya.
Now we just gotta go do the same thing on the other side.
What are you doing over here?
We're taking out the sway bar, and then we're gonna pop the rest of the bolts out, and this whole side will fall out just like the driver's side did.
Yeah. You guys saw we took that out already.
Oh, lottery. Here you go, Charles.
There you go, Charles.
See you Saturday.
Wait, is he coming?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, he's coming to park. Hell yeah. It's gonna be lit. Come tomorrow, you'll see us. Might give you a sticker or something.
Actually, watch until the end of the video to see if we're actually going to park or not.
Yeah, we might not make it.
Who knows? So, BC makes their coilovers super, super easy to take apart.
Not scary.
Yeah, and they're not scary at all.
I thought this was gonna be like super scary, like spring was gonna shoot out and someone was gonna die. But no, it's super simple.
Whoop.
Super easy.
Put that bad boy back on. Friggin' shove her back through the top hat. And now we have a set of 16K springs in the front, and then we have 8K springs in the rear of this car. Like I said earlier, hopefully that will help kind of balance out the weight of the JZ in this chassis. Hopefully it'll help it handle a little bit more like it would if it had like an SR or a KA in it now. Now we just gotta wait on Knuckles and get those bad boys on there. Alright guys, fast forward a couple of hours and the Knuckles came. So these are some Knuckles that Charles had that are modified already. They're very similar to the Villains Knuckles, but I don't believe that it is their jig. Not totally sure though. We have the new setup put in the car, and that's how she's looking. Pretty good, pretty good. 12K spring, cut knuckle, extended LCA, high angle tension rods, and GK Tech high clearance sway bar. Alright, so we're putting the front suspension in still, and we have all the parts here. Putting on new tie rods. We're using inner tie rods from a Maxima. Or I guess we're just using tie rods from like a 2006 to 2008 Maxima, I think is what it is. But yeah, we're gonna be chucking these guys on, and then we're gonna tighten down the rest of the suspension, get the bushings in the sway bar, and get those hubs on, brakes on, all the good stuff. Hopefully it'll go together pretty quick. We'll see. What's going on, man?
The 240, it ain't making it. We got a problem with the brake. It's Friday. Park is tomorrow, so I don't think we're gonna be able to pull this off. I'll be there. If you're there, you might see me wander around doing media things.
I'm probably not gonna be at park tomorrow. Yeah, the 370Z rotors did not fit. You know, I read somewhere that they actually worked on this setup, and I was like, huh, that seems weird, but okay. They don't. Yeah, so if you have stock Knuckles, just get 300ZX rotors. So, that kind of screwed us. We'll get new rotors in the next couple of days, and we'll get the car back on the ground. And we'll get it driving for real. We were able to get a trip permit for this car, so it is street legal right now. So we'll be able to take it on some road rips and whatnot soon. And me and Samsquanch are going to try to go to Spirit Peaks next weekend, but who knows?
It's drifting.
We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and comment your favorite car at park if you're there. This video is probably coming after or something. I don't know.
My favorite car at park? I don't know, man. I think the Icy Boys are just winning.
Yeah, dude, Icy Boys, that was icy as fuck.
Yeah, man, they're just doing it good. Anyway.
You can't kill them down, they're already cool.
Ah, yeah. I love asbestos. Asbestos is the bestest. Chlorine doesn't have the same long-term effects.
Be done.
There we go, everybody.
Whoa.